Thank you for installing application. Please listen to introduction. Application presents detailed battery parameters and notifies with sound or voice about changes. Battery charge level. Battery health. Connected charger.
Here you can modify sound settings, turn off the sound, or change various voice parameters such as type, speed or pitch. I can speak quick, or I can speak slow. You can download voices to limit your network connection usage.
You can customize the sounds and content of voice messages. For example, the application might say,
"Dear Peter, your phone Redmi is fully charged. You can disconnect the charger."
Here you can switch to full screen view. And here you can change appearance of the application to clean battery, battery with face animation, or battery with detailed parameters such as charge level, temperature, voltage, charging current on some phones, and their average, minimum and maximum values. Use this button to prevent the screen from turning off. And here you can set additional application parameters such as periodic notifications on time, or after pressing the unlock button. Here you have access to system battery parameters. Don't forget about the positive rating. Support the development of the application by visiting sponsors' advertisements.